What's up mga ito? Share nga ako ngayon. Gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na ito na nga yung episode 2 part 1 ng 1v1 challenge. No, yes. 1v1 challenge in Neil James versus Blood Moon. No, guys. Okay, simulan na natin hanapin dyan. Nasaan ka kaya? Uy! After ka to, tago-tago ka pa dyan ha. Hype ka. Dami magiging ka ng play note, tapos kanya mukha mo pangit. Hello, talaga sa comment pa talaga tawa-tawa ka pa dyan sa comment hindi ka na lang mag-open voice chat.
Ela chega e desencana com passo bem passo bem
Hi, Neil.
Hoy, talentado, ano talaga gusto mo? Mag-open chat ka ba o ano? Kaya magpapatugtugan ng Lenny Tagos. Nasa may Lenny Tagos. Saan kaya? Hindi ito. Pagin nasa yung Lenny Tagos. Ano?
Bang!
Ayun na!
Ano ngayon? Aya Marie.
Ano nasa kasi yung Lenny Tagos dito? Talaga yun. Wala guys, nag-open chat tapos nag-voice chat minsan. Ano ba tip mo sa buhay mo? Ano? Blood Moon.
Ano kasi, Aya Marie, gusto ko na voice chat ka chat. Gusto ko yung dalawa.
Ano ka tanga? Dalawa yung ginagamit mo, voice chat ka chat? Ano yun? Ang talino ng mata mo Gagi Talentado ka ba dito? Guys, motor tayo.
This audio was made by Unfazed. This audio was made by Unfazed. This audio was made by Unfazed. This audio was made by Unfazed.
Nasaan ka, Brad Moon?
This audio was made by Unfazed. This audio was made by
Brad Moon,
Unfazed.
kung matapang ka, magpakita ka.
This
Brad
audio
Moon,
was made by
nasaan ka?
Unfazed. This audio was made by
Nasaan yun?
Unfazed.
Baka mamaya magulat na naman ako, mamatay na naman ako.
This audio was made by
Brad
Unfazed.
Moon, nasaan ka? Where
This
are
audio
you?
was made by Unfazed.
Where are you, Brad Moon?
This audio was
Nasaan
made
ka?
by Unfazed.
Namimiss kita.
This audio was made by Unfazed.
Nasaan ka pa? Asa lang mo
This audio was
patayin?
made by Unfazed.
Asa lang mo
This
patayin,
audio was
Brad
made
Moon?
by
Talaga,
Unfazed.
totoo talaga. Asa lang mo patayin?
This audio was made by Unfazed.
Brad Moon, pag nakita ka, mapatay kita.
This audio
Nasaan
was
ka?
made by
Yun,
Unfazed.
Muna, wala ko.
This audio was made by Unfazed.
Nagulat.
This audio was made by Unfazed.
Nasa lang po ba na ako
This audio was made by Unfazed.
Alam mo ba na may pagkimuha?
Oh, bakit?
At balita ko. Bakit? Mga talagang katakbuhan. Nakuha sisilaan yung bahay nyo. Makakatakot. Ba't naka-Aurora kayo? Ano nakatira ka sa Aurora? Brad Moon? It means sila bahay nyo ngayon. Dapat nga wala kayong connection ngayon
Sila uno, Aya Marie.